Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A major breakthrough in controllable video generation just hit X, published on May 19, 2026, which was about 4 days ago. The paper is titled CogOmniControl Reasoning-Driven Controllable Video Generation via Creative Intent Cognition. It addresses how professional creators struggle to use video models with sparse inputs like storyboard sketches, which typically fails because of a gap in understanding creative intent. By separating the process into explicit reasoning and synthesis stages, this paper introduces a system that scores an impressive 0.727 on a new control benchmark, significantly outperforming existing open-source models. We will soon see how its unique closed-loop evaluation harness makes all the difference. Figure 1 illustrates the core motivation by comparing different controllable video generation approaches. On the left, we see the input conditions, like a sparse storyboard. Traditional adapter-based methods struggle, leading to severe issues like identity drift. Even generic thinking vision language models struggle with abstract controls. Finally, the proposed CogOmniControl framework uses a specialized Cog versus LM and a CogOmni Diffusion transformer to produce smooth, high-quality videos. Figure 2 maps out the entire pipeline, starting with the inference pipeline at the top. The specialized vision language model processes the input conditions and generates detailed reasoning, which then guides the CogOmni Diffusion transformer during synthesis. The bottom panels illustrate the training processes for the vision language model and the diffusion transformer, on the right, showing how both components undergo supervised fine-tuning followed by reinforcement fine-tuning to align their outputs. That dual training strategy ensures the model aligns well, but evaluating such complex control requires a more realistic testbed. Table 1 compares the newly introduced Cog Control Bench with existing video benchmarks to highlight its unique features. While earlier datasets rely on synthetic or simulated inputs, Cog Control Bench uses native condition sources and raw, authentic creative intent. It also covers all 3 input modalities, including image, multi-image, and video, while incorporating a vision language model as a judge. Alright, Table 2 displays how the specialized vision language model, Cog versus LM, performs on the Cog Reason Bench dataset across various evaluation categories. Compared to the base QN3VL8B models, which struggle particularly with multimodal intent, the Cog versus LM models demonstrate a clear performance leap. Specifically, the reinforcement fine-tuned version Cog versus LM-RFT achieves the highest average score of 4.47, significantly outperforming the base QN thinking model's average of 3.75. Moving from those reasoning scores, Table 3 reports the final video generation quality on the Cog Control Bench. This benchmark evaluates models across diverse metrics like style following and motion naturalness. The base CogOmniControl model achieves a score of 0.73, which outperforms all other open-source alternatives. By applying the best of N selection with the closed-loop evaluator harness, the score reaches 0.74. Figure 4 presents a visual comparison under clay render conditions, which are simplified grayscale 3D models used in early animation stages to test character movement before adding colors or textures. In the top panel, several open-source models try to synthesize a complex rainy street scene guided by a dynamic 3D sequence. While models like Versus ACE or VINO lose character identity or fail to generate realistic textures, CogOmniControl preserves both the rain reflections and characters beautifully. In the bottom panel, a whimsical subway scene further highlights this performance gap because only CogOmniControl accurately merges the underwater theme with the original camera motion. CogOmniControl proves that separating video generation into explicit reasoning and synthesis successfully bridges the creative gap. This approach elevates open-source models to near-proprietary performance. That wraps up this look at reasoning-driven video generation. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.